Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we are talking about a very important topic, which is often used for small talk, namely the weather. In the upcoming video, we deal with good and bad weather and other important vocabulary about the topic. For example, we are going to cover words like Kaiserwetter, Sonnenschein, Schneegestöber. What is your favorite type of weather? Please let me know in the comments below. Please stay tuned. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to get to know important words and phrases about the topic weather in Austrian German. First of all, let's start with the word weather. The German word for weather is very similar, namely Wetter. Wetter. In Austrian German, you often come across wieder. It's difficult how to spell it, so I stick to the standard form. There are several accents or dialects, so Wetter or wieder, but wieder is most common. Now it's time for some questions. How is the weather today? Wie ist das Wetter heute? Wie ist wieder heute? What will the weather be like tomorrow? Is wie wird das Wetter morgen? Or using Austrian dialect, wie wird's wieder morgen? If the weather is nice, we say schönes Wetter or schön Wetter. In Austrian German, you come across schönes wieder. Now we need some words for talking about nice weather. First of all, the sun is Sonne in standard German. In Austria, it's often called Sun. For example, the cover of the song Here Comes the Sun in Austria sounds Da kommt die Sonne. Warm is warm. In Austrian dialect, warm. Hot means heiß in standard German. In Austrian German, there are mainly two terms, heiß, rather in the east, and heiß, rather in the west. If the weather is very, very nice, we call it Kaiserwetter. The one-to-one translation is Emperor's weather, with a lot of sunshine, and sunshine is Sonnenschein. Sonnenschein. If the weather is bad, we say schlechtes Wetter or Schlechtwetter in standard German. In Austrian German, you will often come across the term schieres Wetter, schieres Wetter. Now we need some words for talking about bad weather. Cloud means Wolke. Using Austrian accents, Wolken. Rain is Regen. It's the same in standard German and in Austrian German, Regen. Thunderstorm means Gewitter in standard German. In Austrian German, it's just called Wetter. So schieres Wetter can mean bad weather or a terrible thunderstorm. Schieres Wetter. Snow is Schnee in Austrian and in standard German. A blizzard is Schneegestöber. It's a very difficult word, I guess. Schneegestöber. Schneegestöber. Cold means kalt. In Austria it's often called kalt, so it's rather similar to the English word cold, kalt. Icy means eisig. And very bad weather is called Sauwetter. And Sauwetter means pig's weather if we translate it literally. Summing up, we can take a look at two dialogues for talking about the weather. First I start with standard German, then the Austrian German version, and finally we translate it together into English. Wie ist das Wetter heute? Heute haben wir schönes Wetter. Es ist warm mit viel Sonnenschein. Wie ist wieder heute? Heute haben wir schönes Wetter. Es ist warm mit viel Sonnenschein. Do you know what it could mean? How is the weather today? Today we got nice weather. It's warm with a lot of sunshine. Now let's take a look at our second example. Wie wird das Wetter morgen? Morgen wird das Wetter schlecht. Es ist kalt mit viel Wolken und Regen. Wie wird's Wetter morgen? Morgen wird's wieder schier. Es ist kalt mit viel Wolken und Regen. Now let's take a look at the translation. What will the weather be like tomorrow? Tomorrow, the weather will be bad. It is cold, with many clouds and rain. All in all, I hope I could give you an insight into the topic talking about the weather in Austrian German. If you want to know more about how to say things in Austrian German, please check out my playlist about it. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen und Servus.